Mr. Schnitzelbottom. He has $500 in savings, and on the last day of college in June, or that's what he has, and he's not planning on working apparently because he hopes to have at least $200 in the account by the time college starts again in September. At least, keep in mind, at least 200 means 200 or more. Okay, and he's going to withdraw $25 each week for food and miscellaneous expenses. So we want to write an inequality that models this scenario. Okay, so he's starting with $500 and we're subtracting $25 per week, or he's allowing that. Is that going to allow him to have at least $200? Is that going to be greater than or equal to 200 is the question. So that's the inequality that we're looking for there. If he continues to drop on his account for 14 weeks during the summertime, will he have at least $200 in the account? And what's the proof? Well, 14 weeks. We're going to plug that in because X represents the number of weeks. The answer, yes or no, we can only know that for sure if we plug in the number 14 in for 25. And if I multiply 14 times 25, that number is $350. So I have 500 minus 25 times 14. Is that still going to be greater than or equal to 200? Well, 500 minus 350 is in fact not greater than 200 because that's only going to give me $150. Not greater than 200, so the answer is no. And your proof is really showing your work. $150 is not more than 200, so therefore there's your proof. And thanks for playing. I would consider doing the challenge, but when you're doing it, simplify these two. If you simplify these two when you plug in the m plus n for both of those variables, it'll be real easy to simplify the next section here. So consider that when you're considering your options.